Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the key technology systems that is completely changing how a business may operate and improve its customer experiences. And AI is described as a combination of computer science and machines which act in a human-like way to complete a particular task or role within your business. And this online system is slowly becoming the difference on how companies are differentiating or beating their competitors today, within all industries and sectors, that is. So no matter how your business provides value to their customers or operates in a particular way, the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines can affect how you operate forever. And I suppose AI is important as you can use this technology to automate your business processes and provide yourself with effective data insights and information, which in return will give you an in-depth insight into parts of your business that you may not know about. And in return, this will also allow you to make more informed strategic decisions around your business and effectively operate in a way that really produces value for your customers. So it's really limitless in terms of AI and how it can really offer you different opportunities. And many companies would actually say that AI is the difference between them gaining an edge over their competitors. So what you need to take away here is effectively that those businesses who are using AI are likely to be beating those which are not. And within today's video, I want to look at how AI is changing customer experiences, so that by the end of the video, you have an idea of how you could potentially implement AI into your own business to promote growth and opportunity. So the first point is in terms of how you could use AI to boost customer retention, where AI customer experiences uses technology such as machine learning, chat boxes, and conversational user interface to have the likes of virtual assistants in organising files and interacting with customers in different ways. So effectively here, AI can help you proactively resolve problems and deliver superior support experiences, where you effectively can anticipate customer needs and questions or any issues that they may raise, and in doing so, address these through your artificial intelligence. So generating solutions and improving their retention, it's going to be effective in terms of how you can actually deliver value to your customers. So you can use AI-powered features of the likes of your CRM system, customer relationship management system, to track their issues before they arise, where this system will determine which customer problems are most common and help you prevent any areas or any issues escalating before they actually do. So as well as being proactive through your artificial intelligence, it can also allow you to increase your revenue, where AI-powered chat boxes can alert customers about new products or your new discounts and any other information that would encourage them to buy more from your business. And based on your customers' data and how the customer is answering each of your chat box's questions, this will allow you to collect informed data insights and make decisions based on the likes of sending out promotional deals and targeting users based on their queries. And with this comes the ability to personalise interactions, where having access to vast amounts of customer data and gaining insights into individual preferences, behaviours and needs will allow you to provide personalised experiences to your customers and effectively market your business in improved ways. The development of AI has also seen AI-based voice assistants such as the likes of Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant, which has also transformed the way customers interact with different businesses and brands or even devices and other services, where they can now make voice commands to perform tasks or receive informed information as well. And I suppose tied in with that, the likes of image recognition technology has also enhanced customer experiences by enabling visual search capabilities, where you can now upload images, allowing you to easily find products more accessibly. In addition to this, as we all know, there is a lot of consumers and customers out there who will not want to share their data with a company where they don't feel that their personal information will be secure. And AI actually plays a crucial role in enhancing security measures and protecting customer data, where machine learning algorithms can analyse vast amounts of data to detect patterns that may indicate fraudulent activities. And by monitoring transactions and user behaviour, AI systems can identify and flag up potential security breaches, allowing you to proactively prevent and protect customer information. We have also seen how AI has completely changed how customers shop online, where they now also have the ability to actually virtually try on and fit clothing materials, where augmented reality AR allows customers to see a product and how it would fit and look on them without actually physically trying it on. And this feature reduces the need for physical visits, enhancing their convenience and minimising the chances of returns or exchanges of products. And AI is only a platform that's going to grow in the future as well, so these things, now that they're being developed, will only grow and increase in demand of our customers. And although this seems to be an advantage to customers, it will also give companies a way to gain an edge over competitors, where they will also be able to personalise product recommendations through AI-powered recommendation systems to analyse data such as the likes of their purchase history and recent behaviours, allowing a business to provide personalised product recommendations, making it more likely for them to invest in businesses. And these recommendations can appear on anything such as e-commerce websites, mobile apps, and even social media platforms. So by consistently displaying products that customers seem to have an interest in, this will increase the chances of a customer investing in that business and also enhancing their shopping experience. At Profile Tree, we are heavily focused in artificial intelligence and how we can apply this type of technology to any business, any SME who wishes to grow, improve their operations, and reach the customers in new ways. So if you are a business who wishes to go through the likes of a digital transformation and transform your business today through implementing new technology such as artificial intelligence, and are looking for new ways to grow and deliver value to customers, make sure and contact us today, and we will be more than happy to guide you through this process. We have experience and knowledge in digital transformation strategy, process improvement, and even cultural change. So in understanding all these aspects of your business, we can come to terms with what type of AI is going to be best suited to your business and how we can implement this effectively to get the most out of it. You can find both the business email and my email on screen now, so I will look forward to hearing from you. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.